Hello everyone, so let's see how to build a brick breaker game design for game-based learning using loops and animation logic. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to add a 2D graphics in C typically using libraries like graphics.h. The core theory involves plotting pixel lines and shapes on a coordinate system with the origin at the top left corner. Key concepts include event handling for user input, game loops for animation and updates, and collision detection for objects interaction. Modular programming with functions help ensure clarity in game design. So for this, first the process involves initializing the graphic system and game window, then drawing the initial environment like the background and the characters. Then we start a main game loop. And inside the loop, we capture user input, updating object position, detecting collision, updating scores, and refreshing the screen. The loop repeats until an exit condition is met, and finally, the graphics are closed and the program ends. Thank you.